High in protein and contain all the essential amino acids that we need in our diet. Chicken with quinoa. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. To make this recipe, we are going to start with quinoa. I'm using here white quinoa. It's gluten free and it's organic. The ratio of using organic quinoa is like 2 cups of water with 1 cup of quinoa. So here I am using 4 cups of hot water. And then I will add 2 cups of quinoa. Then bring it to boil, reduce to simmer, cover and cook until all the water is absorbed. You will know that the quinoa is done when all the grain have turned from white to transparent and the spiral-like germ has separated. Quinoa is a healthier alternative to the carbs like rice or other grains. Now in a preheated pan, I have added olive oil, garlic cloves, and I'm sauteing them for a minute or 2. Then in this, I'm adding here fresh mushrooms that I have diced into the pieces. Again, I'm going to saute it for about like 2 to 3 minutes. Add some salt, black pepper, and white pepper. Give them a good mix. Once it reduces to volume, then I'm adding here baby corns that I have also diced from the middle. Once the vegetables are done, keep them aside. Then in the same hot pan, I am adding olive oil. Then I have added here 1 big size chopped onion. Then the 4 to 5 garlic cloves. I'm going to saute it. In this, I have added here capsicum and corns. You can use colorful capsicums as well. We also call it bell pepper. In this, I am adding black pepper. You can add white pepper, lemon juice. You can adjust the spice level according to your taste or like a dislike. In this, I am adding here smoked paprika. It has a very aromatic flavor. My quinoa and some chili flakes. Give them a good mix and keep it aside. Now it's time to make the grilled chicken. To make the grilled chicken, I have marinated the chicken with paprika, white pepper, black pepper, garlic cloves, and I added here some sriracha sauce. You can use like hot sauce. Cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes from both sides. Combine all the cooked things together in one platter and serve it hot. Enjoy it with your friends and family. Quinoa is a very good substitute for rice as a main course mixed with vegetable or simply as a nutritional boosting side dish. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more recipes with quinoa. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.